Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off screen time on your Apple device without the password. So guys, if you want to turn off screen time without password and if you have forgot your password, here I will show you how can you turn it off. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to screen time, and from here go to change screen time passcode or turn off screen time passcode from here. So guys, you have to simply go to content and privacy restrictions and now turn off the content and privacy restrictions from here, and here you can see it is asking for the passcode. Since you have forgot the passcode, here I will show you how can you simply turn it off without the passcode. So guys, for that you have to simply go back and now go to change screen time passcode, and from here you can see turn off screen time passcode or change screen time passcode from here. Since you want to turn it off, simply tap on turn off, and here you can see this. If you have forgot the passcode, you have to simply tap on forgot passcode, and now you have to simply enter your email address to recover your passcode from here. So I simply enter your Apple account from here, and then furthermore you have to simply follow the instructions and you will be able to reset the passcode of your device's screen time very easily. So guys, from here you can easily recover the passcode of your screen time from here. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.